Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every occasion. Today, we're diving into what could be the best homecoming mum decoration you'll find: the Knitgrip 3-pieces homecoming mum flower. If you're gearing up for homecoming week or just want to add a festive touch to your celebrations, this is the perfect addition to your party supplies. Let's talk about what makes this mum so special. Each pack includes 3 beautifully crafted silk mums that are not just visually stunning, but also durable. The flowers are designed with 21 layers of rich, vibrant silk petals, giving them a 3-dimensional look and a real-life texture that will make them stand out in any homecoming decor. Whether you're creating a custom homecoming mum or just adding to your decor, these mums are perfect for all your creative projects. Now, let's get into the specifics. Each mum flower measures about 6.5 inches across and stands 2.4 inches tall, which is the perfect size for personalizing with ribbons, glittery accents, or even small charms. The silk petals have a natural sheen, making the white color pop beautifully, and they offer a realistic, firm shape. You can customize them further with letters, bells, or anything that matches your theme. It's perfect for creating a unique homecoming mum that's completely your own. This set is versatile too. It's not just for homecoming. These mums are ideal for back-to-school decorations, or any event where you want to add a touch of festive cheer. Whether you're celebrating with a football team, a school dance, or just want a personalized gift for a friend, the Knitgrip homecoming mum is an excellent choice. The artificial silk ensures that these mums will last through the entire event, holding their shape and color beautifully. One of the best features of this mum flower set is how easy it is to work with. The silk is soft but firm enough to handle any embellishments you might want to add. You can get creative and personalize it with your school's colors, special messages, or fun additions like ribbons and sequins. This makes it a fantastic craft project for students, party planners, or anyone looking to add a special touch to their homecoming experience. And if you're worried about durability, don't be. These mums are made with high-quality materials designed to withstand multiple uses. They're lightweight yet sturdy, so you can be sure they'll hold up throughout the festivities. Plus, they're a great gift idea. Whether it's for a friend or a student, a personalized homecoming mum will definitely make a statement. So, whether you're a seasoned homecoming decorator or a first-time planner, the Knitgrip 3-pieces homecoming mum flower set gives you everything you need to create something unique and unforgettable. With its high-quality silk construction, versatility, and ease of customization, it's one of the best homecoming mums available on the market today. If you're looking to grab this set for your next event, head over to Amazon and check it out. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products for every occasion.